What's up everyone, Alan Morrow here from AM Studios, and welcome to the next episode in the Ableton Live series where I'm going to be making a trance track from start to finish. In this episode I'm going to be going over each of the transitions for the track. I'll be covering things such as how to use automation to create bigger build-ups and impacts, as well as understanding how the elements before and after your transition can make a difference to how you approach them. I'll be showing you some clever automation tips and tricks that give your drops more impact. We'll also be looking at the direction in which way you can automate the different desired effects such as building and winding down. I'll also be showing you which elements can take away from the impacts of your kicks, as well as how the energy can be lost in accordance to the length of the transitions and how much you automate a parameter. We'll also be looking at what sounds you can automate in relation to the sounds of that section and what is coming up next. And as well as all this, I'll be going through sound choice, processing and automation for creating snare rolls and kick rolls, plus much more. So if you're struggling to get seamless and powerful transitions, or you want to see other ways that you can do so, please check this tutorial out at alanmorrowstudios.com.